Okay guys, so I've recently released on this channel a 3-part tutorial series on how to optimize a VR game. But while working on it, I realized how challenging it can be to analyze and keep track of everything to improve your Unity project. That's why we have decided to put our heart and soul by working for months on a very cool tool that we are releasing today, the Auto VR Optimizer. Now, the Auto VR Optimizer can automatically analyze your project and optimize it. It will scan not only your settings, but tell you what needs to improve in your scene. Optimization should be accessible for everybody, even if you're just getting started on your VR development journey. So we did a lot of work to make the tool as comprehensible as possible by adding priority, tag, and description for each ticket. Now, the description also includes a precise list of all elements that are concerned by the issue. Now, you can get the tool for only $14.99 on the Unity Asset Store, but wait, there is more! To celebrate the launch this month, I'm making a special offer and giving the tool for free for people joining us on Patreon on the $10 VR Addict tier. So don't wait any longer and go treat yourself with the link you will find in the description. Now, thank you for supporting my work, and enough talking, let me show you what this tool is capable of. Okay, so here we are in Unity in the beautiful garden sample URP project that you can actually open from the Unity hub. And if I go to Windows, Package Manager, you can see that I've already downloaded the MetaXR all-in-one SDK on this project. But don't worry, because our tool is also compatible with the Unity XR Interaction Toolkit. Now anyway, let me close this window and let's import the tool. Okay, so after importing the tool from the Asset Store or another mean, here is everything that the tool contains, and as you can see, all the tickets are using scriptable objects, which will make it simpler for you guys to actually see what's inside and even create your own tickets. But anyway, now let's simply click on Import. Okay, now that the tool is inside our project, let's run the first analysis, which we can do simply by going to Edit, Project Settings, and here on the left side you should see here the Auto VR Optimizer, which we can click on. And here it is, this is the warm welcome that we are giving you guys, where we can create our first analysis by clicking here on Start Analysis. Okay, and here you go, after our first analysis, this is what we have. We have 43 to-do tickets, 45 down, and 13 omitted. Now, omitted tickets are tickets that are not possible because of our Unity project, maybe our SDK, so our project cannot benefit from them. But if we go to down, we can see all of the things that are already good in our project. For example, the disable vSync, the disable SSAO, or more. But if we go to to-do, we can see that there are 43 improvements that we can do on this project. So actually with this to-do list, we can here click on Fix All if we want to fix everything in just one go. Or otherwise, we can fix them one by one or just ignore the task if you just want to. So for example, if I click on this ticket, some objects have a higher triangle count than set in the Avro settings. If we click on it, we get actually a very precise description of why this ticket is over there. But more than that, there is here a list of all object concerned. So for example, we can see that for this object, we have 61,000 triangles, which is bigger than our 10K threshold. And if we click on it, as you can see, it highlights also in our hierarchy. And we can see that it is actually this cherry tree, which is a bit too detailed for VR. And there we go guys, from this point on you can actually click on Fix All to fix the fixable issue, or go further by following the advice that we are giving you from the tickets, which will help you to get your game optimized. Okay, and there you go guys, this gives you an overview of the power of our tool. I hope that you guys are excited to give it a try. We put our heart and soul into it, and I can't wait to hear your feedbacks. We will keep updating further the tool and improve it, and we hope it will make VR optimization more accessible to everyone. So don't wait any longer, you can get the tool on the Unity Asset Store with the link you will find in the description, or get the tool for free by joining us on Patreon on the $10 VR Addict tier. Thank you for watching and your support, and see you soon. Bye bye!